2010 Volkswagen Beetle 2.5. How to change your headlight bulb. Look down in this corner right here. See if I can get this hidden for you. That right there, 5mm hex, right next to that hose. You'll turn that so that you can turn this from its lock position to unlock. Then you'll just kind of bump the headlight or push it out from the rear, and this whole headlight piece will come out. Just slides right out. Pop that off, and then there's your headlights. Very easy. Very easy. All you gotta do to get these out, you see right here, just push down and move over to the side, and light bulb is loose. Pull it out, unhook it, unhook these, pull this off the back of your headlight, hook a new headlight into this, push it back down into place, push this down, over, hook it back in, there you go. Install in reverse order.